So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects of Covamp. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Before telling you its side effects, I would like to give you a short introduction of this medicine. So let's start. Its brand name is Covam and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredients are amlodipine and valsartan. Amlodipine is here in 5 mg and valsartan here it is in 80 mg. And its manufacturer is Getz Pharma. It is a combination of two antihypertensive agents, amlodipine and valsartan. I'm taking out its leaflet. Covam is used to treat hypertension and it is also given to patients whose blood pressure is not adequately controlled on either monotherapy. Means patient's blood pressure is not controlled by a single medicine, so it requires a combination of this medicine. It is also given to patients who need multiple medicines to control their BP or their goals of controlling the blood pressure. So now let's discuss its side effects. So here are the side effects of it. First we'll be discussing its common, in which it can cause nasopharyngitis and influenza and hypokalemia. Hypokalemia is a dangerous side effect as it affects the potassium concentration. Potassium here has an important role in our heart, so it's a dangerous side effect that it decreases the concentration of potassium. It can cause headache, which is the pain in head. It can also cause asthenia, fatigue, and also facial edema and other kind of edema you are seeing here, like edema in peripheral area and pitting edema. Edema is the accumulation of fluid in part of a body or a tissue, so it's also a dangerous one. It can also cause flushing and hot flush. Okay, now we are discussing other side effects. These are the uncommon one. Uncommon means which are not so common, but this medicine has the potential to cause these side effects. Okay, uncommon means that 100 in 1000 have may experience it, not all of them experienced it. So it can cause anorexia, hypercalcemia. Hypercalcemia is the increase in calcium concentration, which is also dangerous. Hyperlipidemia, which is the increase in lipid. Hyperuricemia. Hyponatremia is the decreased concentration of sodium, which is also dangerous. It can cause coordination abnormalities, dizziness, and also postural dizziness, paresthesia, somnolence, which is the feeling of sleepiness, visual impairment, vertigo, which is the feeling of dizziness, palpitation, tachycardia, which is the increase in heart rate, orthostatic hypertension, which is the sudden decrease of blood pressure if we stand rapidly, so it is also a danger. It can cause harm. It can also cause cough, pharyngo pain, pain in the pharynx and larynx area, abdominal discomfort and also pain in abdomen, constipation, diarrhea, dry mouth, nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting, erythema, which is the redness of skin, rashes on skin, arthralgia, which is the pain in the joint, and also back pain, and it also swells the joint. Now we are discussing its rare side effects. Rare side effects are those side effects which are caused in very less population, so it can cause hypersensitivity reactions, but these side effects are dangerous. It can cause anxiety, visual disturbance, tinnitus. Syncope is a very dangerous condition. In this condition it can cause sudden drop in blood pressure and can cause death. Hypotension, which is the decrease in blood pressure, exanthema, hyperhidrosis, which is the sweating, pruritus, which is the inflammation of skin, muscle spasm, sensation of heaviness, feeling heavy, and also polyuria, increased urination, and also erectile dysfunction. It is a sexual disorder of male, so it's also a dangerous one. The most dangerous side effect of this medicine is its own use, that it decreases blood pressure. If you use it in high dose or use it wrong way, it can decrease your blood pressure to a dangerous extent and can cause patient to go in coma and may lead to death, so you have to use it very carefully. These side effects I have told you are taken by the clinical trial, means patients were given this medicine and they faced the side effects and they complained about it, and the side effects were studied on them, so now they are written here. These all side effects can be caused by this, but some are common, some are uncommon, and some are rare. Okay, most of these side effects are caused when you overdose it, use it in high dose, use for a prolonged period of time, or self medicate yourself, or use it in a wrong way. Okay, if you use it correctly and follow your regimen designed by your physician and pharmacist, you will experience less side effects. But if you use it in a wrong way, then these all side effect risk increases, and it is possible that you have all these side effects. Okay, another important thing, that should we use it in pregnancy or not, and in breastfeeding. It is not recommended to be used in pregnancy and in breastfeeding. So that's for today. Take care. For more detail about its medicine, its drug interactions, and more side effects, and whether it is good for you or not, so for all of the details you can consult your pharmacist for it, and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can write in the comment section. And if you want to buy this medicine, you can also write in the comment section. I will supply you too. And tell me your suggestion, and do you like the video or not. And take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.